warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Raihan. I want to discuss about some topic, something we rarely talk about in our daily lives. That is about the new President Prabowo Subianto. It's been 1 full year since President Prabowo and Vice President Gibran took office, and sometimes I ask myself, has this 1 year really brought the change people were promised? In my view, the results are still not fully satisfying, but not everything is bad. There are still some policies worth appreciating, like the cancellation of the 12% VAT, the tax discount for electric vehicles, and the fulfillment of workers' rights at three states. Those are positive steps and they show good intention. But then, there's the government flagship program, Free Nutritious Meals or MBG. It's ambitious, a 20 trillion rupiah budget and 31 million recipients. It's impressive number. Yet when I heard there were about 8,000 cases of food poisoning from 1.4 billion portion distributed, I was shocked because a program meant to nourish children should never put them at risk. And what disappointed me the most was how the government handled the demonstration last August. People took the streets to be heard, not to be silenced. But sadly, lives were lost, and that should never have happened. 4 years remain. I truly hope this administration can keep the good policies, fix what's lacking, and most importantly, listen to the people. Because honestly, I still want to believe in the golden dream of this nation. Thank you. Hello everyone. Now, I want to presentation about the question words. What is mean by the question words? The question words are integrative terms used to ask for specific information about people, place, times, reasons, methods, and more. What is the function? The question words are used by someone to ask information where the listener is expected to provide a clear answer. In English, they are also commonly known as open question. Next, what the type of question words? In Indonesian lesson, you might only be familiar with 5W plus 1H. But in English, you need to learn about 8W plus 1H. So, what are those about HW plus 1H? The answer is who, what, where, when, why, how, which, was, whom. Let's discuss them one by one. The first, who, used to ask about a person identity or to identify a person in a group. Examples: who opened the window? Who are you? Who is your favorite Korean artist? Who is your boyfriend? Who owns this bag? The second is what, used to ask about something or to request information. Examples: what are you doing? What is your name? What do you think about the movie? What time is it? What should I do? The third is where, used to ask about a location or place. Examples: where do they live? Where is your mom? Where is my handphone? Where are you headed? Where should I park? The fourth is when, used to ask about a time or date. Examples: when do you finish college? When does the vest arrive? When did she leave? When will Dad fix my bicycle? When will the meeting start? The fifth, why, used to ask about reason or cause. Examples: why do you love me? Why it did happen? Why are you crying? Why is he logging? Why did you come late? The sixth is how, used to ask about a method or manner. Examples: How can you explain this problem? Please tell us. How was your exam? How far is Siem Reap from Phnom Penh? How much money do you have? How often you go to Bali in a year? The next is which. Used to ask about choice or selection. Examples. Which color do you want? Which extracurricular do you join in? Which one do you prefer? iOS or Android? Which one do you like? Which one do you choose? The left or right? The next is whose. Used to ask about possession or ownership. Example. Whose are these novels? Whose car is that? Whose wallet is this? It is yours? Whose turn is it? Whose outfit are you wearing? The last is whom. Used to ask about the object of a verb or preposition. Examples. Whom are you going to meet? Whom did you see in the morning? Whom should we send the invitation to? Whom was Teddy talking to? Whom will you marry? Next, we will discuss about how to form the question words or the question word formula. The first is the question word with auxiliary verbs. WH plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have plus subject plus main verb. Examples. When are you leaving? Where do they live? What have they decided? The next is the question word with modal verb. Words that are included in modal verb include can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and must. The formula is WH plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb. Examples. Who would he stay with? What should I do? Why should we read books? The last is question sentence without an auxiliary or modal verb. This formula shows that the WH word itself replaces the position of the subject. The formula is WH plus main verb. Examples. Who won the game? Whose phone rang? Who bought this? So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and see ya!